Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa Zora. Welcome to everyone, new subscriber, returning subscriber, and if you're just looking, welcome. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to put a trade or a signal that you got into your MetaTrader 4. I am going to be explaining it, and I'll try to make this video as detailed as possible. So guys, won't be opening my MetaTrader 4 as in clicking on it like that, because I already opened it up, which I'm just going to go back to what I already opened because I have a lot of confidential information in there and I'm not good at blurring, so I really don't want to blur anything in this video. So let's go back. So the first thing we're going to do is we want to go on where we got that trade, right? So this is the trade we got. Now I got this trade from a group that I am in, but I cannot like post that group all over with the confidential information. So I just copy the trade and send it back to myself on Telegram. So this is the trade, and as you can see, I just got this like 8 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, somewhere there about that telling me to sell USD JPY on 1 hour. And as you can see, we have our entry, we have where it says stop, that's where we're gonna put that's our stop loss number, and where it says take profit, that's where we're gonna put our take profit. So for this now, I'm just gonna copy it to make it a lot more easier than me, and I'm gonna click on paste right here, and I'm gonna paste it back. This is just gonna make it a lot easier for me. So our entry is 105.476. Now I'm gonna copy that right there, and I'm gonna copy that. You can go ahead and write it down if you want. Then I'm gonna press back on my menu option button. I'm gonna go into my MetaTrader 4. I'm going to go over where you see the 2 hours down at the bottom to your left. I'm gonna click on that, and right in front of me there is USD JPY. If USD JPY was not there, then I'll have to click the plus sign up the top, and then I'll have to search for it. But because it's already there, let's click on that. Let's go on a new order. And because let me go back and look, guys. Let's open the chart. Because USD JPY is going in a sell, this is basically going to be a sell limit. So let's go on, click on USD JPY, new order, and we're gonna click up the top where it says market execution, sorry, and we're gonna click on sell limit. We're gonna paste our entry right there, and there's our entry, and then we're gonna click on place down the bottom, and our order has been placed. Then we're gonna go back. As I said before, guys, you can go ahead and write that down and just do everything one time, but I'm doing this. And where it says stop, that's gonna be our stop loss. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy that. Then I'm gonna go back to my MetaTrader 4. I'm gonna click back. As you can see where it lights in the blue at the bottom, that's how we go and find the order that we just did. I'm gonna click back on that order, long press, and I'm gonna click on modify order. And right where you see the red line underneath where there's the zero, where the red line is, we're gonna paste our stop loss right there. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click place for that, and we're gonna click on modify. Then we're gonna go back to where we have the trade. We're gonna click on where you see TP, and TP stands for take profit. Ooh, made an error there. TP stands for take profit. So we're gonna go ahead and copy our take profit, and we're gonna go back to our MetaTrader 4. We're gonna click on our order. We're gonna click on modify order, and where we see the green line underneath where the zeros are, that's where we're gonna put our take profit, and we're gonna click on paste, and we're gonna click on modify order, and our order have been placed, guys. So that's how you place a trade. So there it is. So if we're on the 1 hour, so if this draw all the way back up to where the green line, then it's gonna take us into the trade, but if not, it's gonna continue to go down. So guys, that's how you place a trade or a signal that you got on your MetaTrader 4 on your phone. I hope this video was helpful to a lot of you guys. As I said, you can go ahead and write it down and write the correct order of how you want it. So I'm gonna also do a video telling you what's a buy stop, sell stop, and a sell limit and a buy limit. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Don't forget this give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit that notification bell, and stay tuned, guys, and keep on watching. Bye, guys.